Scott, if someone besides us in this office today wanted one of these wonderful 2-packs of squash and stretched figures, how would they go about getting them?
Well, Seth, I'm glad you asked me. You can get these packs on a little website called MattyCollector.com. In fact, there's a new pack every other month throughout 2014 for the low price of $20 plus shipping.
And then you can build that thing.
Is that all?
And
Shut
if you
your
buy,
mouth.
you get a castle.
Each package comes with a piece of Castle Grayskull. So collect them all. Finish my dream house.
Let's give us our dream house.
Help Daddy put in an upstairs library.
Is it seriously cool if I just take all these?